Hello, welcome to the TutorNet channel. Today we are going to be discussing how to solve systems of equations using the substitution method. So first we'll start by discussing the steps to solving systems of equations using substitution. First step is to isolate a variable in one of the equations. Step 2 is to substitute the variable expression from step 1 into the other equation. Step 3 is to solve the equation for the remaining variable, and step 4 is to use the result from step 3 and plug it back into the variable expression from step 1. Okay, we're going to start with our first example. We have x plus y equals 6 and negative 3x plus y equals 2. So we're going to solve for x and y. So first step, isolate a variable in one of the equations. So we'll start with the first equation, x plus y equals 6, and subtract y from both sides. So we're left with x equals 6 minus y. Second step is to plug this back into the second equation. So we're left with negative 3 and plug in 6 minus y for x. So 6 minus y plus y equals 2. So we're left with negative 18 plus 3y plus y equals 2. So from here, we're left with negative 18 plus 4y equals 2. And this, if we add 18 to both sides, we're left with 4y equals 20. Divide by 4 on both sides, and we're left with y equals 5. So finally, we're going to plug y back into our equation that we solved for in step 1. And we're left with x equals 6 minus y, which is 5. So x equals 1. And you can always check your work by plugging the values you found for y and x back into your initial equations. Okay, moving on to our second example. We have 3x plus 2y equals 19 and x plus y equals 8. So again, we're going to start by isolating a variable in one of the equations. So here we can subtract y from both sides. And we're left with x equals 8 minus y. Then we're going to plug this into our other equation. So we're left with 3 times x, which is 8 minus y, plus 2y equals 19. So we're left with 24 minus 3y plus 2y equals 19. We're left with 24 minus y equals 19. So from here, we're going to move over here. We're going to add y to both sides. And we're left with 24 equals 19 plus y. Subtract 19 from both sides. And we're left with y equals 5. And so we can plug y back into our equation for x. And we know x equals 8 minus 5, so x equals 3. And again, you can always check your work by plugging in our x value and our y value back into our initial equations. Okay, thanks for watching. That wraps up our discussion on solving linear equations using the substitution method. Please comment any additional topics you would like us to cover. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.